Hi friends, welcome to my channel Art of Mastering. Today we are going to see how we can invest in multiple options. Okay, so basically this video I will show you the multiple options where we can invest our money, and the money will grow based on the type of investment which we have selected. So you can see I've listed 8 different type of investment options for us. So we will go through the options, and then we'll go in detail one by one. So first is, the most important thing is we need to plan the investment, like insurance or any other thing which we are doing as a part of investment. First thing, we have to make sure we are planning it in the right way. If we fail to plan it in the right way, then the the execution will go in on a toss. So first is planning. Second option is recurring deposit, one of the investment option. Third is fixed deposit, which is used from ages by our senior citizens, and we also use it for some time. We have gold investment, we have PPF, Public Provident Fund option, then we have SIP, Systematic Investment Plan, we have stock market, which is investment in equity. Obviously, this is talking about Indian stock markets. So currently, we can invest in Indian stock market only. Uh, then we have the most new option, which is cryptocurrency, which is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and there are multiple cryptocurrencies. So let's get started. Uh, let's go to the planning phase. So when I'm saying we are doing the investment planning, which means we are considering multiple factors before we start investing. First thing is our monthly expenses. So monthly expenses, we cannot those are recurring expenses which we have to do, and we cannot take money out of that expenses and invest in our any of the instrument. So monthly expenses you need to cut down from your, maybe your salary or the business income. Then you have to consider the insurance cost on yearly basis. So in today's world, as we know, we have multiple insurance options, but I have listed best. Uh, as per me, term insurance is the best option for safety purpose. Like if something happens to a particular person and he have term insurance, he is like, the nominee will get the sum assured whatever it is. Second one is health insurance. So as we saw the pandemic, the health insurance is most important because we don't know when we will get sick. So we have to cover ourselves. Cover our, we have to cover our expenses, health expenses like hospital expenses under health insurance. So these are the two main thing for the planning. Now let's move on to recurring deposit scheme. So firstly, recurring deposit, it is based on monthly basis, quarterly basis. You can select the frequency. So when I in 2008, 2010, I personally was going through was investing through recurring deposit because I was not aware of other options. So recurring deposit, I selected a monthly basis, and it's like a habit of saving some amount on monthly basis. And then, obviously, the return percentage interest rate, it may vary year on year basis based on the multiple factors like inflation and other factors. So as of today, the rate of interest is 5%, which is very very low, and I have not seen this rate in last decade. So uh, this is the one factor. So if you invest 1,000 rupees on monthly basis, your total amount will be 12,000, and maturity will be just addition of 328 rupees, 5%. And it has a locking period of 1 year. So you invest on monthly basis. So basically, this is how recurring deposit works. So we'll just go to the next type of deposit, which is fixed deposit, FD. So FD was very common investment kind of idea which were used for last I don't know how many years, but if from my memory I can recollect that from last 10 15 years I use it sometimes but not frequently. So fixed deposit is a lump sum fixed deposit amount for a locking period of 1 to 5 years. So as of today you can see in the screenshot that the rate of interest is 5% annually. So if you invest 1000 rupees as of today, which is 3rd October 21, you will get 51 rupees extra in the after 1 year or after one, which is the date is like 3rd October 2022, which is the 5% is very less, but yeah, on the other side it is you don't have to worry about risk and other factors because this is very safe if you invest in the uh, good bank, like SBI or HDFC, for example. So third instrument we will go to like sorry, the third instrument is fixed deposit, but it has a lock-in period of 3 years. Interest rate is 5.3% annually, nothing more than it's nearly 5% only. So you have to have a lock-in period of 3 years, and if you invest 1 lakh rupees for 3 years, you will get 3010 rupees as an interest after 3 years. Again, it's not the returns are very less compared to the previous times. Next is investment in the gold. So basically, when we say gold, I need to say don't you invest in jewelry. If you are just doing the investment, you don't need to do investment in jewelry, but you have to invest in gold bonds which are issued by our government of India. You will also get an interest rate by for your gold bonds, whatever units you buy. Based on that, you will get the interest rate on annual basis, and it's you don't have to worry about storage and all. So it's a kind of e bond. So you don't have to worry about jewelry which is like a theft or something like that. And you can see the investment return on gold is fantastic. From last, I have a graph from 1972, and the rate was very negligible at that time. Even if I consider the rate of 1000 rupees per gram, okay, in 2008, and as of today it is 4400 rupees per gram as of October 3rd. So you can just imagine the returns. So huge returns, and you can see gold, it never disappoints. It is just going all the time, it is going on the new high. So it's a kind of safe investment, I can say. Next one is PPF, which is Public Provident Fund. Again, this is very popular investment instrument. It has certain limits. You can maximum invest 1,50,000 rupees on yearly basis. It is a tax-free income under ATC section, and the returns are guaranteed. So for the year 2021-22, the interest rate is capped at 7.1%. But if you check the history, the rate of interest was 9%, then it got 8.7, then 8.5, likewise. So it is related to multiple factors like inflation, and then there are multiple factors. We'll talk about these factors later. But you can see the maximum cap of 1,50,000 if we utilize. And one more thing, this instrument has a lock-in period of 15 years. You cannot really withdraw your money before 15 years. The maturity is after 15 years, and the interest is totally tax free. So in this chart you can see that after 15 years we have invested 22 lakhs 50,000 rupees, and the total interest which we will get after 15 years is 18 lakh 18,209 rupees, and full interest is tax free, and this is a risk free guaranteed return. So you will get it. There is no risk at all in this instrument, and you will get a tax exemption in ATC. So if you, this is one of the good investment. So this is like a compounding of your money on the accumulated amount. So let's say on the first year you invest 1,50,000, you get a rate of interest as let's say 10%, so which is like 15,000. The next year your accumulated will be 1,65,000. So your interest will be on 1,65,000 plus the next year installment. So one of the very good investment idea is PPF. Let's move on to the next. It is systematic investment plan (SIP). So we hear about SIP from from many advertisement agencies, like newspaper, on the radio, on like when we are browsing we get some advertisement. So again, this is very good investment instrument, but you just have to make sure that you are selecting right mutual fund house for your money, who will manage your money. So in my case, I've just selected Mirai Asset Emerging Blue Chip Fund, which is one of the best fund, one of the best mutual fund company. So you can see the returns, annualized returns, and I've selected the start date, SIP start date as 1st of April 2016, and I invested 1000 rupees on monthly basis. So as of today, my total investment is 66,000, and as of today, my total value of 66,000 is it has turned to be 1,33,693 rupees, which means a profit of 67,693 rupees. If we calculate the percentage, it is 102 percentage near about. And if you calculate based on the yearly basis, the yearly basis it has given a CAGR of 25.78%. So again, this is a very, I can say, peaceful kind of investment, and you don't have to worry on who is managing your fund, unless and until you know the fund house very well. You check the history of fund house and all these factors. So one of the good investment idea, fund house will manage your fund, and they are doing it on a big scale. So just as I said at the start, you need to select right mutual fund scheme. Okay. uh, okay, so we will now move on to the next one. Is obviously I've selected Indian stock market equity. So I've taken an example of front leader Reliance Industries, managed by Mukesh Ambani and Ambani family. So I've just, for an example, I've taken a price of Reliance Industries on 1st of April 2015, and I've taken a price of Reliance Industries on 3rd of October 2021 as of today. So on 1st of April 2015, the price was 411 rupees, and as of today, it is 2,525 rupees. So you can calculate the returns. It is almost six times from the initial investment. Okay, and as we all know, who is Reliance and how they are. They are one of the leaders in India, and obviously they are doing multiple innovations. Like recently, they launched Reliance Jio, which has taken, which is like a very hit. They have multiple products under Reliance Industry umbrella. So we have to select such a stock which is a front leader, and we know those stocks have performed, those companies has performed from last 50 years or 20 years or 30 years, and based on that history, we are going to invest for the future. So Reliance Industries is one of the best options which I've just selected randomly, and I saw that the return is six times in, like time span of 5 years or 6 years. So none of the other instrument has given this kind of returns. So now let's move on to the next, which is obviously the cryptocurrency. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, then there are multiple cryptocurrencies. Obviously, I will not say that you will catch the bottom and then you will sell at the top, but I'm just again, I've taken, like Reliance, I've taken an price on 1st of April 2050, 15, and 3rd October 2021. So the price on 1st April was 151 USD, which is 11,325 rupees. And price as of today is 48,000 USD, which is 36 lakh rupees. The returns are huge, but do remember that this is one of the riskiest asset class I have ever seen. But obviously, if you are doing a planning, if you are allocating a right amount of fund for each of the instrument, then you obviously it's like the risk and reward. If you take less risk, like FD, you'll get 5% on yearly basis. If you take some amount of risk, calculative risk on gold, then equities, then cryptocurrencies, obviously the returns will be according to your risk. So that's all, guys. So I think, you know, you can now think of these instruments and plan your how can I say, your plan your in your way which is suitable for you. I've shown all the instrument to you, and I hope you like this video. And if you have any queries about any instrument, do let me know in the comment section. That's all from my side. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like the video, do share it with your friends, family, colleagues, and subscribe to my channel Art of Mastery. Thank you guys. Bye bye.